Do you want to know how you can change your email address in your v.io account? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the email address in your v.io account. Go ahead and open v.io on your Chrome or Edge browser and then click on your profile, which is on the top right hand corner. Now, as you have logged in, go ahead and click on section which is called account settings. You can see your email address. Go ahead and click on this pen icon and you can remove your mail and write down a mail. After you write down a mail, you can see save option. Click on save and click OK. After you click OK, you can see that a confirmation link was sent to this mail. Go ahead and open your Gmail now. After you open Gmail, you can see that a mail will be sent to you by Veed. Click on it and then click confirm my new email. In a while, you can see that your email address has been changed. So this is how you change your email address. All you need to do is go to this section over here and you can see that there is an option of change mail. So go to Veed, click on your profile, click on account settings and you can see email address. After you see email address, click on this pen icon, remove the mail over here, write down the new mail, click save, and then you can change your email address. I hope this video about how you can change your email address in v.io was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.